Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum to class students. I am Fatma here with 10th lecture of SST. Alhamdulillah, I am fine and hopefully you are fine too. Dear student, open page number 34. In this lecture, we will study chapter number 7, clothes. People all over the world wear clothes. Clothes protect us or protect our body from heat and cold. In some part of the world, it is very cold. For example, in Canada, in Antarctica, or in the areas which are near the pole. People wear clothes made of wool and fur to keep warm. So the people of cold areas wear wool clothes and fur clothes so that they become warm. In other parts of the world, it is very hot. In hot countries, people wear clothes made of cotton to keep themselves cool. Men and women wear different clothes. Our clothes in Pakistan, you will see people dress like this. You can see in the picture, these are the dressing of Pakistani people. Now come on page number 35. Other countries. People in other countries dress in different kinds of clothes. You can see a Nigerian man from Nigeria wearing a cotton robe. A Burmese lady is in a cotton blouse and a skirt. A Chinese lady wearing ancient traditional robe. An Inuit's clothes are lined with fur. A Japanese lady dressed in a kimono. Special clothes. Special clothes are worn by the people who are doing special jobs. A dancer needs beautiful clothes. You can see in this picture, dancer. A diver needs waterproof clothes to keep him safe. You can see this is diver. A soldier wears a helmet and a strong boots. Soldier wear helmet and strong boot. You can see astronaut clothes in this picture. Now open page number 36. Cloth. Clothes are made from fabric. Fabric is usually made of cotton, wool, silk and other yarns. Cotton comes from a plant. You can see this is cotton plant. The cotton balls are picked up by hand. Farmers picked the cotton balls from the plant of cotton from hand. They are taken to a factory. These cotton balls are taken to the factory and spun into yarn. The yarn is then made into, yarn means thread. Yarn is then made into different kinds of cotton fabric. You can see cotton plant. Machines that make clothes are called power looms. Wool comes from sheep. Also, silk comes from silkworm. You can see silkworm. Fabric is also made from chemicals. Some names might know are rayon and nylon. We grow lots of cotton in Pakistan. We also use lots of cotton to make clothes. So we buy cotton from other countries too. Come on page number 37. Here are some people working with clothes or clothes. Clothes can also be made on hand looms. You can see this is hand loom. Clothes are also stitched in factories. You can see it is stitching. A tailor is stitching a cloth. Weaving. Weaving means making a cloth. Washing, ironing and pressing. Now dear students, open page number 34. We will do some book reading questions in this lecture of chapter number 7. Question number 1, book reading. What protects the body from heat and cold? You will write this question on your book. What protects the body from heat and cold? And mark answer on your book. Clothes protect the body from heat and cold. The answer of question number 1 book reading is from here to here. Mark on your book. Question number 2 book reading is What types of clothes keep us cool? Answer is people wear clothes made of cotton to keep cool. Come on page number 35. Question number 3 book reading is, what does a soldier wear? You will write these questions on your book on relevant pages. Answer of question number 3, a soldier wears a helmet and a strong boots. You will not write these questions on your notebook. Write on book and mark answer on your own book. Come on page number 36. Question number 4 book reading is, where does cotton come from? Cotton comes from a plant. Question number 5 book reading is, where does silk come from? Silk comes from silkworms. And last book reading question of this chapter, question number 6, which fabrics are made from chemicals, rayon and nylon? Learn these questions and mark these questions on your book and write question on your book. Dear student, this is all about 10th lecture of SST. Take care. Allah Hafiz.